Hey guys, John here with MIAdventureLife, going on another kayaking trip. I got some group camping coming up, or car camping with a couple buddies. I figured I would just, I have the time off, go for an extra day, see if I can do some little bit better fishing than we were able to last time we were up on the Manistee, and just have it be nice and relaxing this time. We'll see how it goes.
Alright, when you're heading up north in Michigan, at least when you're coming from, around southeast area on 75, there's two bridges we cross. There's the Mackinac, which everyone knows. But when you're going to signify up north, and at least the lower peninsula, you gotta cross the Milwaukee. Alright, we got this. No big deal, boys and girls. Hope you can see me. Hope I don't sink. And we're floating. I love being on the water. Lakes, rivers, the ocean, wherever it is. Nothing like it. Alright, we've been going for a little over an hour now. Over a little 5 miles. Might do another hour, I'm assuming. See where we're at. Start looking for a camp, maybe. But it's been pretty good paddling so far. Seen quite a few people already on the river. A lot of tubes. A lot of people just chilling and relaxing. There's a lot of artesian wells out here they'll have pouring out from their property back into the river. Some of them are pretty cool. Oh, check this out. We're coming up to a landing and some debris in the water. Let me pull up, check it out. We're beached. Alright, I think this is going to be our camping spot. I'm going to use this tree. Over this tree right over here for my hammock. We're really far away from the water. Actually, it really bends out away from us, which is nice. Get away from that high water line.
See if we can do this. What I really like about this Olympus camera is it pops up with the GPS right there for each picture. It also has it for the videos as well, but it's neat having a GPS tag for every, picture, video that it takes. Got to give Drew the Jambi. Did it a lot on the last trip. I have no idea why. Maybe just because I'm going crazy. You guys get to witness me slip into something. Maybe we'll just delete this video. I'm going to set the alarm for 8 o'clock. I'll probably be going to bed around 9:30, 10 o'clock. Just because I'm not going to have a fire, so I don't really have anything to keep me up. It is fantastic out here. Got the river right there. There's that rainbow gym. Really curious. I want to meet this rainbow gym. See what he's all about. Who knows what the river's going. But, took me 2 hours maybe to get here. Which is pretty good. Am I rambling yet? I don't know. Hanging out. Alright, good morning guys. It's about 7:45 here. Gonna get up, get the bear bag down. Start taking my stuff apart. Pack up.